Ito yung team song namin guys. Yung team Rebuild the Altar. Yeah, panoorin nyo guys. Day 3 na kami. Yan. Yung mga plug namin guys. Jaguar, Direwolf, Panda, Monkey, madami dyang iba. Counselor namin guys. Yan, mga campers. Yan, mga activities namin dito guys. Yan, magre-reverse na yan. Yan, ready na kami sa aming regatta sa day 3. Yan. Yan, lumabas na kami. Boom, may sumasayo pa nga. Yan, nasa tuyog ba yung iba. Yeah. Yan guys. O si Sir Charles. Ayan. Ito yung mga babae. Sumisigaw sa kanilang yells. Ito. Panoorin nyo mabuti. Yan yung unit captain nila guys na sumisigaw. Yan yung flag namin na aming inaangat. Yan yung regata namin na pinapaypay para ipausok. Yan yung mga campers. Yan yung mga ano namin guys, mga struggles, mga activities. Yan na, tumutumba na nga. Oh, tumatay ulit. Yan yung unit captain si Duque. Oh, nigga, what's up nigga? Grabe, napaka-item naman yan guys. Pinapaulit-ulit pa nga. Yan. Yan, freedom is the oxygen of thine soil. Yan guys, sumisigaw kami sa aming team. Not Rebuild the Altar Zone 1 2025. Hey, what's up guys? Dito banda guys, pina-blindfold sila kasi meron silang pagpilian na heaven or hell. Kaya kitang-kita nyo naman.
Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here right now, and I'm pretty excited and nervous about this interview. Here are my thoughts about this camp. For me, this camp was really something special for everyone around here. Campers, facilitators, counselors, basically everyone in this camp was completely amazing. Like, we bonded over things that seem minuscule in retrospect, yet it still worked. Even in our differences, we bonded over them. For something like that, to me, it's very amazing. And the activities were really, really great. Anything, basically, we bonded over one thing: God. He taught us about love and taught us about sharing that love with others around us. This camp taught us that God is always there and that He will always be watching over us, and that even in the most darkest of hours, most darkest of nights, even the most darkest of days, He will be there watching over us. I myself, I am not religious myself. However, I still believe that God is the most precious thing in the world, and that God created communities and people to join together and unite over a single thing: love. And to me, that one thing is incredibly special, and this camp teaches us about love and unity.
Pinagi ni